Hey guys, so today I want to try a little bit of a random video here because I did see some old videos on YouTube where people successfully has been able to unlock a phone with Play-Doh, like an iPhone. So I saw that on an older iPhone, but I thought, why not try it out with the new sensor that is in the iPhone 6s? Can you just do it straight up with Play-Doh here, which is like, you push in your finger and it takes your fingerprint and then try to unlock the phone. Now this test is going to be on it when it is not hard, but if you let it dry, maybe it can work better in the future. I don't know. Let's try it out, okay? So we do have the Galaxy S7 and we do have the iPhone 6s. Both have a fingerprint scanner, biometric scanner, or whatever that scans. Let's just open. Oh my god. Let's open this one up. So we have just some standard Play-Doh here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out a little bit of this. Okay, we have a little bit of Play-Doh. And yeah, let's try it out. Let's go into first the iPhone, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down to Touch ID and passcode. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete. Let's just do some simple stuff. Use code. Bam, 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 bam. And I'm gonna add a fingerprint. Let's just add this finger here. So I'm pretty sure they made this new sensor in the new iPhones a bit more accurate than earlier iPhones. Okay, it continue. Okay, now that finger is scanned. Let's see if it works. What the fuck? Oh, wait a sec. Do you have to put in the passcode the first time you do it? What the fuck? Oh, wait a sec. I'm so retarded. You have to go in Touch ID. You probably have to activate it as well. Require passcode. iPhone unlock. There we go. Oh my god. That is so stupid. Okay, so you can see first a finger that doesn't work. Let's try it out. Okay, it unlocks. Okay, so it's this finger. Let's try it out. Let's push it in here. I'm gonna hold it for a few seconds. Okay, let's try it out. So, this should be my fingerprint. Let's unlock the phone. Let's lock the phone. No, it said try again. No, doesn't want to work. Now remember this is like soft Play-Doh, so I'm guessing if you would make it dry, then maybe it would work on the newer iPhones, but or the newer phones here, but it really feels like they made it better as a sensor on newer phones. Let's try it again. So sometimes if you fail a lot of times, then you have to insert a passcode. Okay. This one is a good one. No, try again. So I don't think people have to be too worried about someone taking your fingerprint like that. because it feels like they sort of, that it's not super unsafe. Let's try the same thing out on this phone. So I'm just gonna go into settings. I'm going to go, wow, where's it? Fingerprints. Add a fingerprint. Let's try it out. Pattern. Okay. Let's do the same thing here. I like the Samsung, this one. It feels a bit more that it goes a little bit faster to register fingerprint. Okay. Okay, sweet, they work. With my fingers, it should. That one didn't work. Let's try that one out again. Or let's try the Samsung phone. Wipe home key and try again. Yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be hard for someone to use this on newer phones. Trying to make it a little bit warmer. It feels like someone has to, if they're gonna make this work, it really feels like they gotta try to put in some work into this to try to make it work. Let's see if we can add a fingerprint used from the Play-Doh itself. Oh my god. Add a fingerprint. And I'm just gonna push this one in here. I'm just gonna mix it up. Oh. It looks like this thing can sort of work if you really like put in a lot of time into it. Finger move. But it kind of recognizes a little bit that it's a little weird. Adjust your grip. This one takes a long time. And it's very, very easy that it changes shape. Come on. Okay, sweet, let's try it out. Does it work? Can we unlock the phone? No! I just added it. What the fuck? That is weird. Yeah, but as you can see, I mean, it looks like it's gonna take some work. Try again, yeah. So, I mean, overall, it looks like too much work to try to get this to work. At least with like cold Play-Doh, or like molded or Play-Doh that you can mold around. But maybe if you would let it dry a little bit, it would work on your phones. I don't know, but quickly checking that out if you enjoyed. Have an awesome day.